we've built several birdhouses already. If you haven't seen any of them, you know we've built the log cabin. We've built the simple and basic. And we built the contemporary log cabin. But today I want to show you another easy project, just the basic standard birdhouse. This is so neat. This project is so neat. As you can see, we've got several kinds. You can do several things with them. You can paint them, you can stain them. But it's an easy project, it's a fun project. These have rounded bottoms, this has a flat bottom. But let me show you how to do this. Let's take these boards and turn them into this. Come on, let's go make some sawdust. Okay, what I have here is a 1x6x4 by 4 feet. And what I've done is I've drawn the patterns on here. As you can see, I've got the front, the back, the two roofs, which are pretty easy, the two sides, and the bottom. Now, I can make all these cuts using this board, or if I wanted to, I could take two boards, screw them together, and then when I'm making the one cut, I get two birdhouses out of it. Your choice, whatever you want to do. But let's do that. Let's screw them together. Let's make two. Very simply, I'm just going to take a screw and I'm just going to pick a spot where I figure the hole is going to be here, and it's not going to matter. This is rough cut anyways, so all I want to do is just keep them together. Okay, we have our two boards screwed together so we can make the cuts the same way. Now, these are rough cut boards, so you can tell they're not exactly perfect. None of these cuts are going to be perfect, but we want to keep them generally the same. Hey, I took the safety off the saw. Please, safety first. I'm only doing this for the video. Be careful. Looks like we have our front and our back. They look pretty symmetrical. Quickly before, I just want to give you the precision cut is really to get the 45 so that it goes across even, so it looks symmetrical. That's the critical cut right there. And at this stage, when we've got them all cut, now you have the option, if you want, to paint them at this point. You can see I've kind of put a coat of paint on these rough cut ones. This way it's detailed. You can add paint later, you can add paint before, but I just threw a coat on that for easy of trying. Hey, on this one, I used a different style wood. Instead of using the rough cut, I used some finished plywood, and it gives it a little smoother look versus the rough cut. Hey, it all depends what you like. The birds don't care. The birds actually like the rough cut because they can grip on and grab in and get into the nest faster. It's all what you want to do. Just wanted to show you some ideas and give you some suggestions. Pre-paint it, pre-stain it, or let's go put it together. Before we put it together, there's another choice you have to make. As you can see on the roof, we had mitered the roof so the angles fit together, where on this one, we did not miter the roof. We just put them in and let it go. Again, the birds don't care. It's something you have to decide what you want to do. For the roof cut, the saw is at 45-degree angle. Try to get this baby level. Roof's ready. comes to the bottom piece, I tapered the bottom piece on both sides so that when we put it on, it flows with the side and it gives it a real good clean look. When it comes to the bottom piece, I am gonna put screws in there. So I want to pre-drill this because this is good dry wood. The reason for the pre-drilling is so I can put screws when I need to clean it out at the end of the season. I can easily unscrew it. Let's put our roof on, leaving ourselves a little bit of a hangover in the front. I would suggest using a drill press with this, but since we don't have it set up and for the ease of the video, I am just gonna do it right now. All clean, looks good. We're ready to roll. I'm gonna take an old piece of asphalt shingle, slice it, and then put it on the top. Okay, we're gonna just take some roofing nails, just tack them down briefly. If you want to get a little fancier, you can make little designs like this and put them in here so that they fit like this. And they look like this, giving it some character and some charm. Now, I put the pegs on this. This is a classic birdhouse move. I do not like doing that. They say the pegs actually help predators more. I like to do a classic, what I call bird ladder. Take a little saw. I call this the bird ladder. The birds that are actually nesting can actually lop onto here and get in here. If you have the pegs, the bigger predators, the squirrels, the owls, the crows, the blue jays, they can hang on to those and attack it. There you have it. It's all done, ready to go. Now, you get to make the choice. Do I want to paint it? Do I want to stain it? Do I want to put the roof on? How am I going to hang it? Am I going to hang it with clips? Am I going to hang it from the bottom? Your choice, that's what makes it fun. No right or wrong answers. The trick is get in the shop, have some fun, and build the project. Hey, it's all your choice. I tried to give you the basics. It's all the level of your carpentry. If you want to get more involved, we could do log cabin birdhouses. A lot of fun. Hey, hope you learned something here. Thanks for watching. I'm Ken Deininger. Just another backyard project.